Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Hadim ke jing artatin ya kurukom yo jingpang COVID. Bat jing Khlad na ke jingpang COVID ha ke jela. Ki pajba ke jela ki kwa bha ban yo jingtip. Kan Ngut ki briu ha ke jela. Ki dei ki bala Khlad na ki weipat ki jingpang. Na ke leng ki nong pathai ku boru ki la yai wat jingtip la bun sen na ke sorkar. Kamtam na ki briu ke tenat ke koit ke kia. Jong ke sorkar jela ha ba ya dei bat ke jingdon ki briu ki ba Khlad na ki weipat ki jingpang. Henry amshamlayo ya ke jingtip ka ba tikna. Kadai menta kasngi ka arpu sauterik u jeliu ar Hajar arpuai ba u DHSMI u Dr. Aman War ula pensyai habaya dai bat kani. Hakaba ula yathu ba naki pra Hajar Ngut tam ki ba Khlad nadu u kalalengkot hadu u jemang ar Hajar arpuai ki ba Khlad na u COVID khat khandai ki long Tang sauspa Ngut. Henry uniu doktor ubah hedu ketenat ke koit ke kia ke jela u klem batai benia ya ke jingdon ki briu ki Khlad na ki weipat ki jingpang laban pen kan mau ba ki pajba ki don habdeng ki jing artatin sepang ke jingpang COVID khat khandai namar wat ki briu ki bala shitom lepa la katu kanisnem na ki weipat ki jingpang anda la lejra ki sya ki hospital banyo jing sumar ki ngat COVID khat khandai positive bat ki don ru ki bala Khlad hakabala penbena bagi Khlad na ke jingpang COVID khat khandai.
The economic activity has to go side by side with the pandemic as it is now. As we could see at present, the cases are more or less constant, 400 to 500, 400 to 500. And if we take the number of people who have expired from COVID, I'll give you only the figure, the rough figure, from January till May. The total number of deaths, total, is 8,000 plus. And only from COVID is only 400. So now taking that into consideration, taking the vaccination status, and we are very confident and very hopeful to see that this vaccination drive, which we have undertaken, will booster up and it will provide the necessary protection to the people of the state, plus it will give us, the health workers, the confidence. So what we can see now is there is a slight flattening of the curve. And with all the protocols in place and with the decision passed by the Honorable High Court, wherein it was clearly stated that those who spread rumors about the efficacy of the vaccination, severe action can be taken by the government. In these times of pandemic, we don't want to go into all those things. But we have seen the malicious intent of certain sections, wherein something which is good, they have painted it to be bad. That, I think the government will take a very strong action on this. So as of now, as we progress, as we move on, we hope that although COVID will always be with us there, we will be able to adapt to the situation and let life go on as usual. Thank you.